Hello everyone. So the problem statement is we have to delete a node in a single linked list and we will not be given the access to the head of the list. Instead, we will only be given access to the node which we need to delete. So if we look at the example, we have to delete the third element from the linked list. So the basic approach can be we can simply cross the link to the third node and connect the fifth node with the fourth node. In this way, the third element would be deleted and the linked list would be in a form 2 would be connected to 5 and 5 would be connected to 4, as 4 is the last node of the linked list. So let's look at the solution for this problem. One for the solution would be we will first replace the element to be deleted with the next element. So for example, if we want to delete the third element, we would replace the third element with the next element. So 3 would be replaced by 4 in this case. Now the second step is we will replace the next element to be deleted with the next of next element. We want to delete the third element which is now replaced by fourth. The next of this element is the fourth element. So this fourth element would be replaced by node of next. Fourth next of 4 would be null. So this node would be replaced by null. So we will get the following output that 2 would be connected to 5 and 5 would be connected to 4 and 4 would be pointing towards null. So the time complexity of this problem would be big O of 1. Now let's have a look at the code. In this code, we have defined a function delete node. So in the first step, the node value will be replaced by the value on the next of that particular node, and node of next would be replaced by node of next of next. Thank you for watching the video.